Citigroup versus Citizens Bank. Which is better? In this video, we're comparing Citigroup and Citizens Bank to help you decide which is better for your financial needs. Links to both banks are in the description for further details. Let's dive into their features, who they're designed for, and what sets them apart. Citigroup is a global banking powerhouse known for its extensive international reach and robust financial services. It offers a wide range of products, including savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment solutions. Its Citigold and Citi Priority programs cater to higher net worth individuals with perks like personalized financial advice and exclusive rewards. Additionally, Citigroup's digital banking platform is among the best in the industry, providing seamless tools for budgeting, investing, and managing day-to-day transactions. If you're a frequent traveler or someone with international banking needs, Citigroup's global network and multi-currency options are hard to beat. Citizens Bank, on the other hand, is a more regionally focused institution catering primarily to customers in the U.S. It emphasizes personalized service and straightforward banking products, such as savings and checking accounts, mortgage loans, and credit cards. Citizens Bank is ideal for individuals and families who value simplicity and a more localized approach to banking. One of its standout features is the Citizens Access High-Yield Savings Account, offering competitive rates for savers. Citizens also excels in customer support, with a strong focus on accessibility through physical branches and an intuitive mobile app for everyday banking. When comparing the two, Citigroup is better suited for those seeking advanced financial solutions, international banking, or premium customer services. Meanwhile, Citizens Bank is an excellent choice for customers looking for reliable, easy-to-use banking with a strong local presence and competitive savings rates. In conclusion, your choice will depend on your priorities. If you need global banking capabilities and a comprehensive suite of financial services, Citigroup is the way to go. But if you prefer a more personal, localized banking experience with competitive savings products, Citizens Bank could be a better fit. Explore the links in the description to find the bank that aligns with your financial goals.